If you want your students to understand how complex systems actually function, they need to do more than just read about them. I designed this inquiry lab to put students in the driver's seat, forcing them to analyze challenges and evaluate what actually works in the real world. The lab is built around a clear guiding question. Students start with the background information and then move into the procedure. The heart of the lab is in the scenario cards. Each card presents a specific instruction. Students have to go through each and observe the results. Everything is recorded in a formal data collection table. The final analysis questions move them beyond just finding answers and toward synthesizing what they've learned. This is a student-led inquiry task that focuses on data literacy and source synthesis. It's an admin-approved way to build consistent academic routines, and I've included several implementation options from small group policy proposals to full class debates. If you're looking to bring a higher level of student-led inquiry to your classroom tomorrow, this lab is ready for you to download. It's part of the standardized system I built for this subject, so feel free to check out the other connected resources in my store. Hopefully this helps you reclaim some of your planning time.